Well, remember in this particular field, it all needs creativity and confidence. And these two things are being driven by passion. If you don't have passion in this particular field, I can confidently assure you that you are in the wrong course. So this particular field needs creativity, passion, and confidence. Why do I say confidence? Sometimes maybe you're doing something, or maybe you want to venture into reporting. You are reporting something, a scene that is happening live. You need to be very confident enough. And then you need to be very creative. If you're going to cover a story in the parliament, you need to know the terms you need to use when you're reporting. You know, we have something we call like parliamentary terms, how you're supposed to, the terms you need to use. Like, for example, if you're reporting something about accident, the terms you need to use and all that. Yeah, so just all about be creative, be smart enough in a sense that you can do good research, and then be in the know. Have something that we call the nose of news. Be in the know of what is happening in the business world in our country. In sports, which team beat another? Are we together? In the market, how is the prices of some commodities? Are we together? When it comes to the sector of health, the share and everything, you need to know what happened. When it comes to the politics, where was Ruto? What is he trying to do? Is he trying to create an awareness of something? What did he say? So you must be very smart enough in a sense that you are in the know of what is happening and the trending events.
Okay, so I've heard you saying about the spirit of creativity.
Sure.
So a journalist must be very creative.
Sure.
So like we always see a lot of journalists waking up earlier morning to go and research for their sources, because without sources we cannot have news.
Sure.
And and finally, so are there any challenges that journalists graduates face when starting their career?
Of course, in each and every aspect of life and different jobs have got different challenges. But then you don't just allow these challenges to determine our future or how we'll be in the times to come. So when it comes to this particular field of journalism and mass communication, the challenge is one, a media graduate, you've finished your course. When you go out there, there's something we call stiff competition, whereby you find there are people who are doing what? There are people who also want to be reporters. So you find that there are so many people who want to venture into the reporters. So what matters there is the papers, creativity, passion, and all that. Number two, the other challenge is that sometimes lack of finance.
Lack of finance.
Yeah. Maybe you are a freelancer, you've not been employed or maybe attached to any other media station. That means you need to dig deeper into your pocket to take some money. You go cover a certain story, you go hire the camera, you go hire the team and everything. Are you together? And then the other thing, lack of experience. Are you together? Maybe this particular media graduate has not been doing some practice in the school and everything. So you find that going there outside, there is no experience. And you know those employers need people who are experienced. Yeah, and so many others. Yeah, so but the thing I will say is that let people be very smart.